Hi there, I'm Sofiane, and today I want to show you the new AI SEO Copilot app. So for the one who don't know, AI SEO Copilot is a free Webflow app that you can install on any Webflow site, and it will give you some support and context to improve your SEO. Basically, how does it work? Once it's installed on a website, you can just launch it, and it will prompt you with some keyword that you can input. And this is a main difference between what we are doing and what Webflow is doing. Is everything we do for optimizing for content is based on some keywords. And once you put your keywords, you can also go for advanced analysis. So you can, of course, toggle in off and on and off. But basically, then you can choose a page type that will help you to have some schema recommendation, choose the language, and add some secondary keywords, because not all the keywords are the same. So it's very helpful to have this section. Once you're good with your settings, you can optimize for SEO. And what the app will do is giving you a score. And this is already a good feedback on how your page will be perceived by Google, and what are already the things that you can do today in order to improve. So if I'm checking, it's pretty good everywhere. However, the key phrase in introduction is missing. So here I can just go, and now with the second version of AI SEO Copilot, I can have that recommendation, but I can decide to redo it as much as I want until I find something that feels fitting to my website. And once I'm done, no need to copy paste anymore. You can just implement it and you're done. Once you're done, you can just publish your website. And that's it. Voila. So I hope you like it. This is most of the work is done by Paul and myself, and this is our gift for the Webflow community. So if you have any question or if you want to participate in the project, let us know. We are always around. And also thank you for Karpi Studio, Pavel and his team, who help us redesign the whole app and make it way more user-friendly and easy to access. So if you have any question, please let me know. Otherwise, see you around. Cheers.